Today I will show you how to turn this into this. Just Canva, fast and easy. Let's dive in. First, open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose social media and Instagram post. And then I will change the background to black. First, I will type the name of the player. I will just type player. I will change the font to Anton. I will increase the size and then I will change the color to gradient. Click here, click text color. This here, I will choose red, okay. And then I will choose gradient. For example, the theme color is red and blue. First, I will make it 4-color button. I will change it to the same red. Just color picker, click here. And then I will change the third to blue. And the fourth also blue. Okay. And then I will make it this linear gradient, top and bottom. And then I will rotate it 90 degree. And I will place it in the right side. Now I will increase the letter spacing. I will reduce a little. Okay. And then I will increase the size. Like that. Okay. Now add a prime photo. Upload the photo. I will choose Canva element. I will use this one. An action photo. I will remove the background. Okay. And then I will place it here and send it to the front. I will move it down a little. Okay. And then go to element and choose shape. And then choose this square. I will reduce the corner rounding and change the color to black. This black. Okay. And then click this black. Click again. Click again and choose gradient. Let's make it 3-color button and the color are always the same black, I mean. And then let's change it to this linear. Okay, and then the first color, I will reduce the gradient to 0. I will reduce the transparency, I mean, to 0. Okay, so I will make it a gradient like this. All right. Now let's create the circle pop out. To make it easier, I will add a new page. Back to element and choose frame. Choose the circle. I will change the color to red. And I will add a stroke. Stroke weight. I will about 9 and then change the color to white. Now I will duplicate it and place the duplicate right on the origin and then add a photo. I will choose this one and then I will change the photo color to other color to be different like this prime color. Okay, and then I will click here and click the red. I will change it to this blue. All right, and then I will remove the background. Okay, and then I will increase the size. Press Ctrl button to avoid it inserted automatically to the frame. Okay, I will move it to the top a little. I need more bigger. Okay. And then send it to back. Click layer and send to back. Duplicate. Insert the duplicate to the front frame. And then double click on it so we can adjust the position and also the size. and then click done. We'll crop it a little, the photo on the back, and then send it to front. Okay, and then crop it from the bottom to here. So now we have the pop-out effect, and then type the text here, the name, the first name of the player maybe. Just type the text, or just for example, I just type here basketball. And then I will use another font, like this brush font, regular brush. And then I will make it, I will rotate it about 10 degree. Reduce the box, increase the size a little. Place it here. Go to effect, choose shadow. I will make transparency 100 and change the shadow to like this red. Okay. Now select them all and group them. And then let's copy and move it here. Reduce the size. I will place it here. All right. And then I will add an action photo on the back. But first, I will play with gradient again. Click element, add the square, reduce the corner rounding. I will change it to this gray. Okay. And then click here again, click again, click here on the gray, click once again, click gradient, and then change the second color to this gray, and then add a color button. I will add one more. Okay, and on the first, reduce the transparency to 0 and also in the fourth color. All right, now we have it. And then I will place it here. But it is too bold. I will reduce the transparency again. And then send layer to back. Okay, I will reduce again the transparency, reduce more, I mean, okay. And then add the action photo like this. Okay, and then remove the background. Go to edit. I will go to adjust and then reduce the saturation to -100. And then I will place it here. I will rotate a little to the left like this. And then go to position, layers, and send it here. All right. And then duplicate this black gradient. I'll place it here. And then move it here in front of the player, action player. And if you want to make it bigger, just increase the size like this. And go to position again. And I will send it behind this prime image. And move it to the top a little. Okay. Now I will add the number of the player here. I will change the text color to white. Go to effect, outline, and then change the outline color to red. And also I will change the font to Anton. And then you can also type the name of the team here. I will use the same font like this one. Copy and paste here. And rotate back to 0. And type the name like maybe Patriot. Okay. So now we have it. And then you can click share, download. as PNG and click download and then send to your client or your favorite player maybe. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.